In this video, I'll show you how to check price history on Amazon USA. Now, I did try the Camelizer. You can see the extension is on top there, but I just could not get it to work. But I do have another solution. So if we go to our extensions on the top here, top right, and then we click on Manage Extensions, and then Web Store. In here, we're going to search for Keeper. That's with an A at the end. And then, of course, you want to just add it to Brave or Chrome, Edge, whatever you're using. And now if we go back to Amazon.com, you'll notice some crazy graphs at the bottom of our product. And I would, by the way, recommend refreshing the page just to make sure everything comes through correctly. And I tried it with a few different products just to check if it was working, and everything seems to be working perfectly fine. And you can even click on the Keeper extension to go directly into Keeper and manage Amazon or whatever you need directly within the app. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.